Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I can show you a very popular extension. So suppose that if you are searching anything on Google SERP, and if you guys can open any websites, or if you are a SEO person, so mostly if you are doing a research or a competitor research, any kind of you are doing research for any particular pages or any particular blogs or anything, so you need to know about the something, how much this website getting traffic, and the where this from which country are the from where this website getting traffic, and the what kind of audience they are having. So if you want to do that, if you want to research that kind of things, so mostly I can suggest you a very high very good extension, so must you guys have to use while you're doing a productivity and the productive SEO. So simply you can go with your SERP, where you guys can type website traffic checker. So you guys will see there is 2 to 3 or 4 options. So mostly also another option we having the hot, where also we can research about the website traffic and the similar website traffic checker extension. And you guys will see only the option for the V start to. This is a new tool, so we can also install, then we'll see what kind of result they are providing, and the similar web we are having. This is a good extension, and the page 1 power 6 free most have. Okay, website traffic checker, this is not an extension, Neil Patel, and the website traffic checker. Okay, so this is the hot website. And if you want to track, so let me check what kind of result we can get from the hot.com, and you guys have to verify the captcha, then we'll see. Jobma, so they having 554 organic keywords. So this is organic traffic, only 282 organic cost, and the AdWord keyword. Okay, so they this is a not good website. They don't have much more data, so we can ignore these things. And now this is a okay, so we have another extension, so we can install extension, and also we having a similar web, so you can also install. And these two, if for the similar web extension, I can provide this extension link over the description section, where you can access easily. And we start to, if this extension are worth it, are providing a good data, so also I can provide this URL over the description section. And the last is we having another website, V2 start GoPro, V2 start. Okay, and also we having SERP stat, so they was asking me to sign up, so we can ignore. So I guess okay, so our, and once you guys can install your extension, and if you guys are not able to see your extension there, so simply you guys have to click over there, and after that you guys have to click for the pin button, then you guys will see your extension is going to pop up now. And after that, if the extension you are not able to find, so simply you guys have to click for the 3 dots button, and there is a extension button, you guys have to click there now. And there is a manage extension button, you guys have to click, then after that you guys can manage your extension workflow. So simply this is a detail button, you guys have to click over there, then you guys can optimize for the on all sites, allow in incognito, also allow access the file URL, and the another things. So if you want to extension customization, so you guys are able to do from the 3 dots click, and after that you guys will see there is a extension button, and after that you guys can go with a manage extension or visit Chrome web store. So we have installed, so let me check. So simply first, So why the extension is not working? So we can refresh it firstly, and then we will check. Okay, so simply you guys have to do some changes. So you guys will see how much traffic. So around 23.5k this website having visitors, around 35.5% bounce rate, and the country ranking is USA, mostly traffic from USA, Turkey, Vietnam, and the Chile and the Spain. And you guys will see direct traffic, source traffic, and this kind of data this extension will provide. Okay, and also we have another extension, so we can check. Okay, if you guys can register, then you will see this is a pro version. This is data will be available for pro version, and the top referring sites, I think this extension are not worth it because they are taking too much time, and also the important features are available in pro version. So this is not good for you. So you guys have to use only similar web. And now I'm going to remove this extension because this is a very bad. Okay, so if you want to check, suppose that we recently published any blogs or anything, so I can going to open any pages, and if you want to track a page, a traffic, so you guys will see this page having around, so you guys will see this page having around 23.5k total visitors, and I'm not sure this is for, I think this the data for overall website, not for the any specific URL. So if you want to check specific traffic for this URL, so you guys will see there is a option. So I have already added the website similarweb.com. Simply you guys have to go with this website, and after that you guys will see there you guys can put it your specific URL. Then you guys will track exact traffic for the 23.5k. I'm not sure why. I think this page is not having that much data. So let me check case study. If this URL are having the same result, that means the similar web counting overall, calculating overall website data 23.5k. No, I think this is not a good extension yet, because each URL having each traffic, this website are not able to collect a customized data. So I think this is not a good, but overall research purpose you can use this extension, because we don't have also another option to we can use it, because you guys will see this is Neil Patel, and the Acharya is a paid one. Site checker, this is also a paid tool. SU review tool, I think this is not a good tool, because no, so we have only a limits option. So you guys will only with the help of a similar web, you guys will audit overall website data. So how much the websites, job my websites having a traffic, where this website are getting traffic, and the which country this, from which country job my getting traffic, or country ranking, and the traffic source for the direct, organic, and the referral. So these kind of things you guys are audit with the help of similar web. So if this extension are useful for you, so you guys will use it. Okay, so okay, so this video is only for this. only for the extension. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so you can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access all the details easily. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.